What's going on, guys? Rebuild Zenai here, back with a new video. Today we're going to put a new fuel tank in this 1.9 diesel Golf 2007 Mk5. This is my own car. I will be driving in about 4 months, so I'll have to do a full respray on it and stuff because I want to colour code them trims in red. That colour red you can't really match, so just going to free spray the whole car. If you want to see me do that there, make sure you leave a like and a comment down below because I don't know where I'm going to video it or not, but it's going to be basically full GTI wrap, GTI bumpers and exhaust and stuff. So anyway, we'll get back to you when it's on the left. So you have it, guys. We'll have it up on the left. We'll have this wheel off. Now there's why you need this wheel off. I think there's 2 bolts in behind this. Sometimes they're rusted, so you will need to pop that inner splash guard out. There's only 25 Torx right around it. I had to go underneath her. There's a 13mm bolt up in here. I don't know if you're going to see it. That's just to hold the strap with fuel tank. And there's another one up in here. Now there's another one up in here. That's for your fuel tank. And you're going to need to disconnect these 2 hoses. And under the seat, before you put it up in the ramp, go under the seat and disconnect your pipes and screw the top off the actual fuel housing itself, so you can be able to lift this out no bar. So I might put it in time lapse to see can I get done on time lapse. Anyway, guys, so this is going to be the process of us taking it out. Welcome back, guys. This is a new diesel tank here we're going to put in. The reason why we're swapping the diesel tank is because the arm was leaking. A spring broke in the back of her and come back and put a hole in the tank, so unfortunate, but lucky enough I had an Golf and I stripped it and it's way now to clear away, so I took the tank and stuff out of her, and yes, it's a diesel tank. We'll stop the time lapse because we had an interruption, so I don't actually know how much we're going to get filming back of this in, but basically it comes in the same way. 4 14 bolts and slides that up. That there's a wee bit awkward there to slide up, you know, your filler neck. But that there's not too bad. Good job I didn't get a video because we covered ourselves in diesel because we didn't realise this was off, and yeah, it went everywhere. So I'll come back in at the end of the video when it's all built in and stuff and give you a wee quick demonstration. Peace. So what's it, guys? Got the new fuel tank in, got all the bolts all tightened up into place. No more leaks. I don't actually know where it was leaking from. I think it was these pipes here, but I replaced them too. Might as well replace it while we have them tanks out. Another wee thing, see when you're taking them tanks out, them 2 wee 10mm up behind that splash guard, there's always one that breaks just for wrapping. You'll not be able to see it now, like, but it doesn't matter, there's 2, and let's see, just leave the horn out. That's the oil fuel tank there. I don't actually know where it was leaking. It's all covered in diesel because the spelt had taken it out. I think it was leaking from like these pipes or something. I've no idea. All I know is a spring broke in that back corner and flew back and hit it, and that was it. So I think that'll do for this video. If you like it, make sure you hit the like button, comment, subscribe if you're new, and suggest new videos. Anyway, guys, this is Rebuild Zenai out.